Hey, I'm BACKSTITCH Crafty. I saw a lot of posts everywhere about these reversible mood octopus plushies, and I actually had this requested a while ago when they were first climbing in popularity. I think they're a great gift and a cute way to tell people if it is or isn't a good day, or just to display and flip every now and then. Here's a list of everything you'll need. The colours and fabric can be changed for whichever colours you want. I just chose to do some spooky colours for Halloween season. The pattern is available for free in the description for my DeviantArt, and also my Pinterest now. It's the second link in the description. This is my first ever free use pattern, which means you can sell it in your shop so long as you credit me. The first thing you need to do is take the rounded eyes and sew on 2 of the white eye glints in the corner of each one. After that, place one of these onto one of the face sides on the side with no tracing, a little out from the side seam, and sew it on using a running or a backstitch. Repeat the same with the second eye on the other side on the same piece of fabric. Place the smile in the centre of the eyes and join it on using the same method. After that, take another face side that is a matching colour and join it along one side to the face front so that the tracing sides face up. Repeat the same for the remaining side of the face. Take the last face side and join it to the 2 sides that you just joined, closing up the last face sides of this colour. Then, take the matching colour tentacle pieces and align the open end and join the end together so it has the same dip as the rest of the tentacles. And then, join the inner circle of the tentacles around the bottom open edge of the head side, starting the stitch so the seam of the open end that you just joined aligns with the centre of the back head side. For the opposite side, take the remaining 2 eye glints and sew them to the corners of the angry eyes. Try and place these in an almost matching place to the happy face side and use the same method as the first side to join them on, except this time with the smile upside down. Repeat the same method with the head sides as you did with the first side. And lastly, join the tentacles on the same way that you did also to the second colour side. Flip one side upright so it's the finished side up and tuck it into the piece that is still tracing side up, and begin joining these together from the seam at the back of the tentacles. When you've almost reached the end, flip it upright and tuck in one side of the plush, and then stuff the remaining shoring side carefully so it's firm around the head and tentacles on this. Close off the remaining gap with an invisible stitch once you're done. And that is how you make your own reversible octopus plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos, I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!